for joining us today at our Broaster test kitchen. This is our VF-3 Ventless Fryer with the built-in Ansel, and it does not require a hood system. It will fry up to 3 pounds of product per batch. It has our built-in Smart Touch screen controller with programmable library of frying presets. Simply hit a button and the basket will automatically lower, and once that timer runs out, it will automatically come back up and you just take the frying product straight out. So it's fully automatic. Great for entertaining venues like bars, bowling alleys, pool halls, small cafes, food trucks, and any place else that does not want to go through the expense of adding a hood system. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we are doing vegan fried products. So we have vegan chicken strips, we have vegan nuggets, and vegan popcorn chicken. I just want to take a minute to talk about the VF-3 and why it's important to add it to a large restaurant setting. In order to be classified your product's vegan, it needs to be fried in its own station and not with other meat-based products, because the animal byproducts are going to leach into your oil. So it would be a great addition so you can capitalize on plant-based foods. I'm going to put them into the basket. We created a special preset for it earlier today for vegan tenders, which is going to fry for about 5 minutes, and just hit start. Our vegan tenders are done. We're going to take it out. They're perfectly fried. Now we're going to add our chicken vegan nuggets and our popcorn chicken. We're going to cook them together. Once again, we did not have a preset for it, so we created it. And it should be under vegan nuggets, which is about a 3-minute fry. I'm going to hit start. Vegan nuggets and vegan popcorn chicken is done. We're going to take it out. All right. All right, guys. So our vegan tenders, vegan nuggets, and our vegan popcorn chicken. So all plant-based, no meat in it.